Hi guys, hope you are doing well and you are watching our VMware channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how we can export and import any VM machine. So I already show you in the previous video that how we can take the backup. I will also put the link in the description so you can go over there and you can check that how we can take the snapshot. And in this video I'm going to tell you that how we can import and export any machine in order to take proper backup, so that in case of any disaster you can restore your machine. So I'm giving you example that I have a machine WSO2. I'm going to before if you want to export the machine, so before exporting the machine it is recommended to shut down the machine so that export can be done properly. So you have to shut down this machine. So machine has been shut down. Now once the machine is shut down, you can see that green check has been removed. Now you have to go into the actions. Now click onto the export. You are about to download one out of two files. Two files will be downloaded, and one file size would be this. Another file size will be calculated little later once the downloading is being started. So we have to click OK. The second file is telling you about the second file, then you have to OK. So file is being downloaded. You can see that the file is being downloaded. So the file size is about 337 and it is being downloaded. So I'm going to stop this video, otherwise video will get longer. So the file has been downloaded successfully, and now we have to go onto the download folders. You can see that the files are here: OVF VKDM file, and this one is the other file, third file. Basically we need these two files, these two. So now we have to go on to the VMware ESXi. Once we click onto the VMware ESXi, we will check mark this machine and we are going to delete it. WSO2, yes, delete. Machine has been deleted. Now we have to refresh it. So machine has been deleted successfully. Now we have to import the file. We have to click onto the create, and then we have to click onto the deploy a virtual machine from OVF and OVF file. We have to click next. Then we have to give the name of virtual machine. Let's say I'm giving WSO2. Then we have to drag and drop the file, or we can click on that, and then we have to click onto downloads. Then we have to select these files. Once selected, you have to click next. On which storage you have to deploy, because I have two hard drive on my server, PowerEdge server. So let's say I'm giving this. Next, then we have to perform thick installation or thin installation. Means thin installation will give the limited resources. We will go for the thick because we need to give full resources to this machine. So we will click onto the thick, and then we have to click onto the network, because I have two network adapters. One is for FLL and other FLL is basically a voice over IP. So I had created this adapter. So we have to click onto the my network adapter. This is my local network, and then we have to click next, and then don't refresh the browser while VM is being deployed. So we have to take care of this. Once we click onto the finish, VM deployment will be started, and don't refresh the browser in that time, otherwise it will create a mess for you. So let's start. I think we had to select one file, and yes, file has been deployed, file has been exported successfully. Actually we had selected two files. One is of 0 kbps, if you remember that. We had to ignore that file. We have to select just two files, this one and this one. The bug that was present in that time because of this file, so we need to select this one and this one. We have to avoid or ignore 0 kbps file. So now we have to start it. I think that file is creating problem, so we have to go there, back. You can also see the live troubleshooting, so it's opportunity for you as well. So I'm going to delete it again, and then I have to click onto the delete, then refresh it, then we have to select, then OVH, then we have to give WSO2 name, then we have to drag and drop files. We will take these two files. Actually that file was temporary file. We can select that file, these two files, then we have to click OK. Now next, go on to that. Next, we will use full resources, network VM adapter. Next, then we have to click next. So file is being imported, and wait for a second. We will get a message because the file size is 350 mbps plus, so it will take a little time. I'm going to stop this video, and once the message appear, I will resume this video again. Machine has been imported successfully, and unfortunately message was appear, but when I start the video, message suddenly disappear. So that is the reason I didn't show you a message, but your machine has been restored successfully. So we have to click on that, and now we click onto the, you can see that machine has been started as well automatically. So all is good. So you can take the backup or export the machine for the disaster, and you can also take the snapshot. We have already created the video over the snapshot, and I will share the link in the description. So this is the perfect way forward of import and export machines. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. See you in the next video.